Welcome back to another video. Welcome back to Turbo Trouble. Today we are here back at UrbanWorks, back at home with another modification going down on the Elantra N. Now this modification is going right in this section right here, clean and out of the way. So I already opened the box and put everything right here. We have these hoses, we have our 6 element oil catch can, and a whole bunch of other stuff that we're gonna figure out in this little bag. Alright, so we got the socket. We are ready to go. That is gonna go right onto here because this is where the bracket for the catch can is gonna mount onto. So we can go ahead and take this off of the side motor mount. Should be able to just go ahead and twist this off. Ooh, that's hot. That is really hot. All right, so we got this out of the side motor mount. We're gonna put all our stuff down there in the second shelf. Let's go ahead and dump all of this stuff out. So you're gonna need to have the engine cover off, obviously, to get into all of this stuff. Right now, we're gonna go ahead and mount the bracket to the oil catch can, and then place it on the passenger side mount. But in order to do that, we have these 2 little screws that we have to screw in. That way, the bracket can hold onto the catch can from the top. And we gotta go ahead and put these things with the little hole in them, these, right into the side. We wanna make sure that when we mount the catch can that we have these faced towards our intake. So it's mounted like this, as you can see. And now we're gonna go ahead and place it into the car. Just like that. Let's quickly go over all the modifications because the amount of DMs that you guys send me about the mods list is overwhelming. So let's start with cosmetic. We have the Adro front lip splitter with the Adro side skirts. We have the Adro wing and the Adro rear diffuser. Now the rear diffuser comes with a spat, but one spat fell off and ended up backing over it, so we're only rocking the rear diffuser for now until I order a whole new rear diffuser set. We also have the Aeroflex Performance louvered fenders. We have these Elantra N BMW M style mirror caps from 21 Overlays. On the interior, we have a SoCal Garage shifter for my Veloster N. We have Aeroflex Performance magnetic paddle shifters and an Aeroflex Performance custom steering wheel. And as for performance, we're rocking full 6 performance parts because 6 Element is our sponsor, and 6 Element is also the #1 in the world Hyundai performance parts company. And as for our downpipe, well, we went with the only company that makes a true high flow downpipe, a 4-inch to 3-inch outlet Sport Cat downpipe, which is the X-Force downpipe right here, which is transforming the sound of this car completely. This car is now 30 times louder than it was before. Yes, there are other cheaper options, but honestly, it's worth the price of what you're paying for. No, X-Force is not a sponsor. Aeroflex Performances and 6 is, but still, we're making a quality build, so not everything has to be about sponsorships here. It's about just a quality of a channel. Still have more 6 Element parts in the trunk and being made, along with more Aeroflex Performance carbon fiber pieces being made right now and shipped to the States. Anyway, you're under this 90-degree plastic fitting. That goes onto here. And that's gonna go right down here on the intake manifold port at the bottom. Right here, and it's going to face towards our catch can. Or it did say lubrication is recommended, and I see why, because I thought this would slip right on. It did say tight fit, but I also thought the little bit of oil that's on the tip would be enough to get it down. Nevertheless, we did get it though. I just learned what the difference between a screw, nut, and a bolt is. So if I can do it, you can do it. All right, so we're about 60% done, but this is where you're gonna wanna pay attention. That's just Neil cutting up his Porsche. He's got a full build going on this Porsche, it's insane. Anyway, we're gonna install the secondary hose that goes from the intake manifold all the way to the catch can, but then we're gonna have to actually cut that piece and install this. This right here is the check valve for the connection between the catch can and the intake manifold port. Take this and then install it, making sure that the arrow on here is faced towards the intake manifold. So it's gonna be facing this way. So this is what it should look like when your valve check is actually in between the hoses facing towards, arrow pointed towards the intake manifold. The final result is this. Let's throw the engine cover back on and start it up. All right, let's see if this motor grenades itself. All right, let me stop saying that. All right, let's do this. Supposed to have a little bit of play.
Is that what it said in the instructions?
No. Oh my gosh, this sounds insane. Driving is gonna go crazy. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. We're not even tuned yet. This is the factory tune. Oh my goodness. This is what an Elantra N can do. Once you put that X-Force downpipe, use the 6 element titanium midpipe with the titanium valve exhaust, I'm telling you, it's gonna bring smiles to your face.